With OnePlus 15, we are not just delivering specs, we are delivering first.
It's the world's fastest mobile CPU. We will have 4.18 million Antutu benchmarks.
And as an industry first, the 16GB option brings the LPDDR5X Ultra Plus, which is the fastest smartphone RAM for faster multitasking, super smooth gaming, and beyond.
A 7,300 milliamp hour battery, and you'll get fast charging. It's up to 120 watts wired charging and up to 50 watts with AirView.
The first phone ever to achieve 165 Hz and a 1.5K display, smoother scrolling, sharper motion, and ultra-fluid vision, giving you the edge to spot enemies first. And it's more responsive, helping you aim easier. That means super smooth gameplay, but also translates to a real competitive edge.
I carried OnePlus 15 with me for days, through heat, humidity, and cold. Usually, the phones give up before the gamer does. But this time, OnePlus 15 kept up with me everywhere.
Check this out.
Manus, it's your lucky day. You're gonna have the OnePlus 15. And Jarvis, we are stuck with the competition. Look at the results. OnePlus 15 never topped 38 degrees.
It allows you to capture important on-screen content. Each fragments are stored in a unified space called MindSpace.
And a dream for filmmakers.
A lot of creative freedom for me as a filmmaker. You know, having the 120 frames a second at 4K definitely allows me to slow down and see a lot of details.
A technique called micro-art oxidation, and it creates a finish that's both stunning and seriously durable.
We built it to be first.